Welcome to my channel IGCSE with Sadaf. Today we are going to solve some classified questions from paper 2 and the topic is chemical bonding. Question number 1. An aluminium atom has a nucleon number of 27. Nucleon number is mass number, that is total number of protons and electrons in the nucleus, and proton number of 13. And proton number is atomic number. How many neutrons does this aluminium atom contain? To find number of neutrons, we will do nucleon number minus atomic number. So answer will be 14. Question number 2. What is different for isotopes of the same element? Isotopes of same element have same number of protons and different number of neutrons. Due to different number of neutrons, they have different mass number or different nucleon number. So right answer is nucleon number. Question number 3. The diagrams show the electronic arrangements in the atoms of 4 elements. Which element does not form a covalent bond? As we know, covalent bond is formed by non-metals. We have to search which one is a non-metal by counting their number of electrons. So first one is the electronic structure tells us it's 2, 1, 3 electrons. It must be a metal.
2 and 4 electrons.
It must be a non-metal. 2, 8. Also, it must be a non-metal. 2, 6. Coming from group 6. It must be a non-metal. So, metal is the one that does not make covalent bond. Also remember that the outer electrons tell you the number of group to which the element belongs. So this is group 1 element, group 2 element, group 8 element, that is noble gas, and group 6 element. Question number 4. The diagram shows part of periodic table. Which element is correctly matched with its electronic structure? They have given us the options A, B, C and D. Again, we have to see the electronic structure, the total number of electrons in A, 8, 9, 10, 11. So A has 11 electrons, B has 6, C has 12 and D has 10. Periodic table starts with period 1, which has first and second element, which are hydrogen and helium. So just assign the atomic numbers in order here. 1, 2, 3, 7 is B, C is 12 and D is 18. This is how you can match with the given answers. And the right answer will be C, because C is showing only the correct atomic number. Question number 5. The structures of diamond and graphite are shown. This is diamond and this is graphite. Which statement about diamond and graphite is not correct? You have to choose the wrong statement here. Diamond is used in cutting tools because the strong covalent bonds make it very hard. This is true. Graphite acts as a lubricant because of the weak bonds between the layers. Also, this is correct. There are weak forces between the layers which make graphite very soft and lubricant. Graphite conducts electricity because the electrons between the layers are free to move. That is also correct. Graphite has a low melting point because of the weak bonds between the layers. It's wrong. Graphite has high melting point because it's a giant structure, giant macromolecule, and there is a strong covalent bond within the layers between the carbon atoms. That's why it needs large amount of energy to break this bond. So answer is option number D. Question number 6. For which substance is the type of bonding not correct? Chlorine. Chlorine is the bond between two nonmetals, chlorine and chlorine. So it is a covalent bond. Potassium bromide is between potassium and bromine, ionic bond. Sodium is having metallic bond because it's a metal. And sodium chloride, the bond between metal and non-metal should be ionic. This is the right answer. That should be not correct. Question number 7. The lead in a pencil made of a mixture of graphite and clay. When the percentage of graphite is increased, the pencil slides across the paper more easily. The sliding means it is more soft, more slippery. Which statement explains this observation? Graphite has a high melting point. It's wrong. Graphite is a form of carbon. It's also irrelevant. Graphite is a lubricant. Yes, because of its lubricant nature, if it is increased, it will make it more soft, and pencil can slide more easily. So C is the right option. Question number 8. Statements 1, 2 and 3 are about diamond and graphite. Which statements are correct? They are different solid forms of the same element. That is correct. And that element is a carbon. They each conduct electricity. As we know, diamond cannot conduct electricity. Graphite can conduct electricity because of free delocalized electrons. They have atoms that form 4 equally strong bonds. In diamond, carbon makes 4 strong bonds, but in graphite, each carbon is making 3 strong bonds and 1 electron is free, which is delocalized. You can see in this drawing that this is a structure showing diamond, the bonding in the diamond, and this is the structure showing in the graphite. Each carbon is surrounded by 3 covalent bonds with the 3 carbons. So only the first statement seems to be true. Option A. Question number 9. Compound X melts at 801 degrees Celsius and is a good electrical conductor when dissolved in water. Compound Y boils at 77 degrees Celsius, insoluble in water, and is a non-conductor of electricity. Which type of bonding is present in X and Y? High melting point is representing ionic compound. Low melting point is showing covalent bonding. Good electrical conductor when dissolved in water. As we know, this is about ionic compound because they do not conduct electricity when they are solid. They only conduct when they are molten or in the aqueous solution form. Insoluble in water, this is about covalent bonded molecules. Non-conductor of electricity, again this is showing us covalent bonded molecules. So answer C should be the right answer. X is ionic and Y is covalent. Question number 10. Diamond and graphite are macromolecules. Which statement about diamond and graphite is not correct? They are giant structures with high melting points. They are non-conductors of electricity. They contain only atoms of non-metal. They have covalent bonds between the atoms. First statement is correct. Second statement is only correct about diamond, and graphite is a good conductor. So answer should be B. Question number 11. Slate has a layered structure and can easily be split into the thin sheets. Which diagram shows a structure most like that of slate? This question you have to answer in the comment. The right option. You have to choose a structure which looks like the layered structure. So choose the right option, A, B or C or D, and comment in the comment section. Question number 12. What happens when a bond is formed between a green gaseous element, that is must be non-metal, and a soft metallic element which is a metal? Option A, the gas atoms gain an electron. Option B, the gas atoms lose an electron. Option C, the metal atoms gain an electron. Option D, the two elements share a pair of electrons. Again, this answer is required by the students. They can solve and comment in the comment section. Question 13. Two elements represented by white circle and dark circle form a compound. Which diagram shows molecules of the compound? You have to pick up the right option where you can see the molecules of a compound. Option A, B, C or D. You can answer in the comment section. Question number 14. Two statements about diamond are given. Number 1. Diamond has a giant three-dimensional covalent structure of carbon atoms. Option 2. Diamond is one of the hardest substances known. Which is correct? Option A says both statements are correct and statement 1 explains the statement 2. Option B says both statements are correct but statement 2 does not explain statement 1. C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. And D. Statement 2 is correct but statement 1 is incorrect. Again, you have to choose the right option and comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the video if you like it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.